Welcome to Yard Mojo, your destination for garden ideas and overall yard design tips. Today we're embarking on a festive exploration of Christmas ambience by looking at 18 ways to transform your yard into a Christmas wonderland. We'll be delving into everything from outdoor Christmas tree decorations to creating a celestial atmosphere with a starlit canopy. Get ready to sprinkle some Christmas magic on your outdoor space. So let's dive into the festive world of outdoor Christmas decorations. First on our list is the classic Christmas tree. Whether it's a towering fir in your yard or a potted pine on your porch, it's all about making it shine. Start with outdoor safe ornaments that can withstand winter's chill. Next, wrap the tree in twinkling lights, choosing LED options for a bright, energy-efficient glow. Top it all off with a star or an angel, signifying the high point of your outdoor decor. An outdoor Christmas tree adds a traditional touch to your festive garden. Next, we have giant ornaments and winter planters. Imagine your garden filled with oversized Christmas ornaments created from foam or plastic, either hung from trees or scattered around. Add a touch of winter charm with planters filled with festive evergreens, holly, pine cones, or poinsettias. You could even add a little extra festive flair by decorating the pots with Santa hats or red and white stripes. With these ideas, you can create your own winter wonderland. Moving on to the winter elements, let's talk about snowmen and snowflakes. Building a snowman display can be delightful. Be creative and use foam or real snow to construct a family of snowmen. Pose them with workshop tools for a touch of whimsy. Snowflake decorations, hung or scattered around the garden, add a magical winter feel. These snow-themed decorations blend with the festive season and will make your garden a paradise. Now, let's light up your garden with luminous pathways and hanging stockings. Imagine strolling down a path lined with luminary bags or lanterns, their soft glow illuminating your way. The flickering light dances on the surrounding foliage, creating a magical atmosphere, and then, hanging from your fence or porch railings, oversized stockings stuffed with branches and pine cones sway gently in the chilled breeze. These lighting ideas will not only guide your guests, but also add a warm glow to your garden. Next, let's add some whimsy to your garden with a gingerbread house display and a starlit canopy. Imagine a charming gingerbread house created from foam panels and adorned with craft paint and plastic decor. It's a delightful sight that evokes the sweetest of holiday treats. Now gaze upwards into a starlit canopy. You've hung large, lit-up stars from tree branches, creating a celestial atmosphere that's pure magic. These magical decorations will surely transport your guests to a festive fantasy land. For a cozy gathering spot, imagine arranging seating around a fire pit or fireplace, embellished with festive cushions, blankets, garland, and wreaths. The crackling fire will provide warmth and a delightful ambience. Now, picture a North Pole Express locomotive crafted from foam panels, plastic accessories, and craft paints. Load it up with festive greenery, decorations, and faux gifts for a magical display. These ideas will not only entertain your guests, but also keep them warm during the chilly winter nights. Next, let's create a sleigh ride scene and Santa's laundry line. Imagine a decorative sleigh nestled in your garden, filled with faux presents and cozy blankets. It's easier than you think, using plywood or foam panels. Now, picture a clothesline, strung between two trees adorned with miniature Santa suits, elf costumes, and festive socks. It's as if Santa and his elves are freshening up after a long night of gift-giving. These playful decorations will surely bring a smile to your guests' faces. Now, let's transform your garden into Santa's workshop. Picture a playful scene with elf figurines, tools, and toy-making stations, bustling with Christmas preparations. An enchanting sight that sparks imagination and brings out the child in everyone. Now, envision an archway at your garden entrance, adorned with oversized tools and toy supplies, welcoming all to the magical world of toy making. With these decorations, your garden will look like it came straight out of the North Pole. Finally, let's welcome Santa and his reindeer with a stable and glowing footprints. Picture a cozy stable decked out with hay bales and twinkling Christmas lights, a perfect pit stop for reindeer to rest and recharge. Now imagine a trail of glowing footprints leading to Santa's workshop. Using glow-in-the-dark paint or LED lights, you can create this magical pathway, a beacon for Santa on his busy night. These festive touches will surely make Santa and his reindeer feel right at home. Last but not least, let's light up your garden with festive lighting. This is where the magic truly comes to life, transforming your yard into a winter wonderland. You'll want to start by choosing fairy lights in traditional Christmas colors, red, green, and white. Now drape them along fences, wrap them around tree trunks and branches, turning each tree into a Christmas beacon. Don't forget the bushes. A few lights can make them twinkle like frost in the moonlight. The key is to balance the lights throughout the yard, and remember, there's no right or wrong way to do this. It's all about creating a festive atmosphere that brings you joy. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to add a sprinkle of your own creativity to these ideas. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Yard Mojo for more gardening and landscaping tips. Happy decorating!